Isigcawu sophenyo ngokushona kwenkosi yakwaLithuli siza emva kweminyaka engu-57 yakhothama. Phakathi kofakazi abazobizwa kulesi sigcawu kukhona ongoti bokuhamba kweyitimela, amaphoyisa ayephenya icala, abangani kanye nomndeni wenkosi. Iphoyisa liqale ukuphenya icala emva kokuvuka kwalo ngokwesicelo somndeni uKapteni uGhodisimang Frank Ramanyane, owaqala ukuluphenya ngo-2019 esebenzela uphiko oluphenya amacala abekwe umbuso avela ngesikhathi sesigcawu sekhomishana yamaqiniso nokubuyisana i-TRC. UKapteni uRamanyane ube ngufakazi wokuqala ukungena ebhokisini lofakazi.
From the post-mortem report that we received, it is Exhibit C. Most of the injuries were the head injuries. So it was not consistent with a person who can be struck by a train. That's why we are looking for an expert regarding the simulation to check the possibilities of the injuries together with the accident.
Uphiko oluphenya amacala omphakathi i-NPA luthi okwatholwa nguphenyo lwaqala akwenele futhi akuqondani, liphakamisa imibuzo ngokuthi uma kungukuthi inkosi yakwaLithuli yagayiswa iguzu, kungani yayilimele emlenzeni nasey'ngalweni.
In an inquest, the state will provide new evidence, will bring witnesses across, etc. And all that will do is help the presiding officer to reach a conclusion.
Kusenjalo kule nkantolo kepha kwelinye igumbi kuhleli isigcawu sophenyo ngokubulawa kukaGriffith Mxenge, owayengummeli wamalungelo abantu nowagwazwa amanxeba angaphezulu kwama-40 eMlaza ngo-1981. Lesi sigcawu sihlehliselwe umhla zili-17 kuNhlangulana ukuze abasola kuleli cala bathole abameli.
We have mixed feelings for the start of today's events, one of excitement, one of relief, because we believe that at last we're going to have some answers to really what happened to our leader, Mr. Mxenge, on that fateful day.
Isigcawu sokuqala sophenyo ngokubulawa kukaLithuli noMxenge besithanyelwe ngamalungu aqavile eqembu i-ANC. Inkosi yakwaLithuli yavalwa ehambeleni imbuthano yezombusazwe ngo-1953, yaboshelwa eGroundville ukusuka ngo-1954 kuya ku-1956, yaboshelwa icala lokusikaza umbuso ngejozi ngo-1957, yaphinde futhi yavinjwa iminyaka emihlanu kuyibandakanya nezombusazwe ngo-1959, yaboshwa nabanye abaholi be-ANC ngokuthungela ngomlilo amapasi emkhankasweni wokuphikisana nomthetho wawo amapasi ngo-1960. Yaba ngumholi wokuqala e-Afrika ukuhlabana ngendondo yokuthula ngo-1961. Kubika ukuthi inkosi yakwaLithuli yabulawa isitimela seyimpahla mhla zingama-21 kuNtulikazi ka-1967.